Hi everyone, welcome to my little crochet corner where I share with you unique fun tutorials and crochet content. August is already here and it's time to sum up everything that I made in July. July has been a fairly busy month with all the orders and also new designs that I made for you, so I'm super excited to share with you everything that I made in July. Okay, so the first week of July was dedicated towards making my lavender dreams come true. So I crocheted this beautiful lavender lily bouquet top. This is a slightly different version from my original bouquet top design, and this also quickly became everyone's favorite. So many of you made the lily top and sent me pictures on Instagram, and I'm so grateful that it was so much loved by all of you. Also, I made a matching hair tie with the top, which looks absolutely inspired from Rapunzel. Many of you recreated the same hair tie in different colors and all of them look adorable. So I'm planning to make more hair accessories in future. Tutorial for both the lavender lily bouquet top and the Rapunzel hair tie are available on my channel if you want to make it. Okay, next up I have the best-selling Chabot in shades of red, peach and pink this time. I have made so many of these in different color combinations and this one again looks super summery. This one piece can actually elevate any dull corner of your room. I make at least one of these every month for an order. Okay, so next up I made this adorable bouquet top in shades of peach, orange and yellow. Absolutely summer appropriate colors. This looks like a glass of mimosa on a summer holiday. I stitched yellow and orange roses at the bottom of the top and the color scheme looks so gorgeous. So if you're planning to make a bouquet top, I think you should consider this color combination because it looks beautiful for summers. Now I don't really make a lot of amigurumis or stuffed toys in general because I'm more inclined towards fashion and clothing and accessories, but ever since I posted my teddy holding a heart, I have been receiving so many orders for cute animal hangings, and this time a client wanted a small elephant, so I made this one. She's clearly obsessed with elephants and this one looks super duper cute. I am planning to make more cute small animals in future. Even though I don't make a lot of these, can't deny that cute little animal hangings are amazing gifting options. Okay, so the next order is very special and close to my heart because I don't really make a lot of babies or children stuff in general, but this one I had a lot of fun making because of course she ordered a bouquet top for toddler size, so I made this top for a 2-year-old. I can't wait for her to send me pictures wearing this and I will surely share with all of you. Along with it, she also wanted a top in shades of lavender, so I came up with this made with pure shiny cotton threads. I think this one also looks adorable and this is the first time I have made something like this, so let me know in the comments if I did a good job. She also ordered a sweater in shades of blue. I have used mesh stitches for this one because it's a classic and you can't go wrong with a mesh sweater. Let me know which was your favorite out of all these 3 baby items that I made last month. A quick 1-hour make was this sunflower hair tie. It was an impromptu make. I was not planning to make it. I just needed something to match with my sunflower top. That's why I came up with this one and honestly looks pretty cute for such a quick project. One is my favorite from the entire video. It's a small bouquet that you can hang, use as a keychain, a back charm, but the most surprising thing is you can use it as a scrunchie. It's such an essential for us women because we like to carry our scrunchies everywhere we go, and if we can carry our scrunchies inbuilt with our back charm or keychain, what better than that? I think it was a brilliant design and I'm working on the tutorial for this one, so I hope it will be up by next week. Lastly, the classic red and white combo for the bouquet top. As soon as I posted its picture on my Insta story, everyone went crazy for the color combination. I think there's just something about a bouquet of red roses that catches everyone's attention really quickly. So this one probably is my most successful bouquet top design in terms of popularity, number of orders and everything. If you have any suggestion for the color combination or new flowers that I should try for my bouquet top design, then you can just let me know in the comments. I will try my best to make that for you. So yeah, these are everything that I crocheted in July, and in August I have already started working on new designs. I'm designing a bouquet top with sleeves because it was requested a lot, and also I'm working on a new pattern which I think you all will love again. If you want to enjoy more such unique tutorials and fun content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.